Hello everyone, welcome back to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your pin is no longer available on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing your pin is no longer available on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your file explorer. In this, you have to open your C drive. After that, you have to open Windows folder. Then here you have to find service profiles. Scroll down. You can see service profile. Double click and open. After that, you have to find local services. You can see a local services. Click on continue. Here you have to find app data. You can see app data. If in your case it's not showing here, then you have to click on this view tab, show, and tick mark this hidden item. After that, you will see this app data. Double click and open. Double click and open local folder. Open Microsoft folder. Here you can see NGC. Right click on that. Click on properties. Click on security tab. Click on advanced. Click on change. Type here everyone. Then click on check name. Then click OK. Then tick mark this option, replace. Click on apply. Click on yes. Click on OK. Then click OK. Then click on OK again and close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your pin is no longer available on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.